People of the Purple Butterfly here, otherwise known as People7 on Twitter, YouTube, people elsewhere on the internet. My soaps are located at PurpleButterfly-soaps.myshopify.com. And today's my birthday, yes. I've had a birthday breakfast, a birthday lunch, a birthday dinner, birthday supper. Tomorrow there will be birthday cake made with a reduced sugar recipe and chocolate chips. And I don't know if she's going to put frosting on it or not, but she's researching what can be safely used for diabetics. So this is definitely going to be interesting. I got a birthday flower. I got a birthday tag that says Queen for a Day. And I'm going to open up a birthday present, because this one is going to make life a little bit easier when it comes time to make videos. Oh, it's got directions. Okay. It's a ring light with a selfie stick, and basically it's supposed to stand up. And I'm looking, there's the tripod. Okay. So, everything fit in this one little compact box. So, let's see how this fits together. I'm thinking this goes with this, mainly because it looks like it does. And well, okay. Now, where's this dude? Oh, cool. Okay, well, I didn't have to ask what it does. I now know. So that'll stand up. And then this, apparently the phone goes around that. And maybe this goes this way. Yeah, there we go. And it's got some kind of spring there. Huh. Okay. Maybe not. Well, I'll figure it out. There's lots to unwrap here. I have a sinus infection. They gave me some medicine, antibiotics, and then basically a cough syrup that there was only 3 days worth of it. And according to the doctor, you have sinus infections for about a week. So basically I need some more of this medicine because it allowed me to sleep. And it said no refills on it, so I'm gonna have to call doctor and say, hey, what's going on? So let's see. This goes up into something. Or not. Okay. Well, see, that's why you have directions for stuff. Yeah. Okay. The ring goes on the very top. And the part for the phone goes directly under it. Ooh, it's got a Bluetooth. Yeah. So I'm thinking. Well, hold on. Let's try that. Ah, well, it actually screws in right there. So that part is the correct guess. Or not, because it's not very stable. I stand corrected. Yeah, there we go. Now, let's see. So this part, oh, I see now. That opens up, I think. Hello. Man, that's tight. Okay, now, put that there, and then snap it into place, like that. And then, I can put the phone there. And tighten this, so that will, oh. That's pretty good for not reading the directions. Let me show you what that looks like. Yeah, so when I plug this up, that'll be the ring light. And so that way when people go, well, the lighting in your video is really bad, blah, blah, blah. And you know me, I'm like, hey, let's not talk about the lighting for something that's essentially free, so hush. And then there's that person I was not very nice to when I told him if he didn't like my videos, kindly flip to a different station. Yep, I went there. Okay. It has different features. Ah, wow. Okay, that's bright. Let's see. Oh, it's got blue. Okay, it's got 3 different tones. It's got a warm light, a blue light, and a really bright light. Let me show you this. Well, it's not actually showing up on camera like that, I guess. Okay. So that's going to take some getting used to. I'm real sure that it will help the lighting situation. But looking at that is going to be a little bit of a challenge. Yeah. So in the meantime, it says camera 360 OS something or another. So since the ring light had that mechanism, I'm assuming this, since it says camera right on it, remote shutter. Oh, so I could set my phone up to take pictures like this, controlled by Bluetooth. Let's turn this on and see what happens. Well, the light's up. I'm not going to do anything that's going to jeopardize the video I'm making right now, so we'll study that another day. Remote shutter, turn on the remote, the light indicator blinks blue, turn on your Bluetooth function, find the device name AB3, shutter 3. That's pretty straightforward. I'm going to go play with this for a while. Anyway, birthday girl is out. This has been People7 on Twitter and YouTube. What is this? Okay, there's something I missed. Okay, my soaps are located at purplebutterfly-soaps.myshopify.com. I think I'm going to look up this name and see if there's a video instruction manual, so that way I don't really screw this up. Because you know me. If there's a way to make it worse, I probably will. I gotta turn this off or adjust it to more yellowish. That's much better. Anyway, that's a more natural lighting type look. This has been People. Check out my soaps. Buy something nice for yourself. Bye now.